Let's enable private server access on Roblox Mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, and we first need to navigate to your list of private servers. Now you'll be able to easily get to that list just by going into your inventory, and keep in mind it usually defaults to accessories, but we can filter down for just your private servers. So let's go into private servers here. And then once we're in here, it will show you all of those. Let's say this one is the one that I want to allow anyone to be able to join and play with me. You can see Blue Lock Rivals. Once I'm in here, you'll be able to see I need to scroll down and find the server for that game. After I've done that, I can tap on it and it will open it up here. Now, if no one else is joining me, you can see 0 of 10. All I need to do is configure this server, and then you can see allow joining. This might be set to off, so you need to turn this on, and you might also want to turn on connections allowed, and you can even manually add people just by tapping on add people, and then enter in their username to invite them to play with you that game in your private server.